Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is another video on how to make 250 to 350 or at least 400 per month selling cheap stuffs, not in Amazon or eBay, to your local store. Yes, this is a flipping product, which means you buy cheap and sell to your local business. The system still work, but it's depend on your area or your local business. Because I live in the UK, there's a store like Poundland. There's a corporate Poundland, there's a branded Poundland. You can't sell anything there, but there's a local stores in every street corner or the off license. They buy stuff from you. So what you can do is you have to call them and negotiate the deal with them. Because I have a register with company limited, so I can buy and sell under that license. But if you don't have it, you can still sell it, but you have to talk with them first. So how you can make money by selling cheap stuff? So this month February I made over 250 pounds selling two things. One, lighter, yeah, as you can see here, and another one is LED torchlight. So basically, if you see that this LED torchlight, if you're going to buy an online, that's 14 for, and if you go on Amazon, that's nine bucks or $7, depend on the torchlight. So, but there's a product. If you go to the AliExpress, not Alibaba, AliExpress, see that here, this lighter is $1.99, not pound, it's dollar a piece, right? But in Amazon, it go up to $6 to $7, sometimes $4, depend on the quality of the product. But in your local store, if you can find it, you can buy this one for $4.50 to $5. So what I did basically, I bought 50 of those. Exactly, not this one. I can't find my one, but this one. If I buy the 50 of those, including postage, it's gonna cost 148.81 bucks. My one last time it was 142, something like that. But if you convert that into pound, that's 114 pound. So what I did basically, I sold all 50 of them for 175 pounds. Right? That I roughly charged $3 something like that for each of them. So let me check how much I charge for them. I might open my calculator and I charge $3.50 each for this lighter. The vendor selling for that $4.50 or $5.50, something like that, but I charge $3.50 for each of them. So that 175 bucks. I bought it for 150 and I made a 60 profit, easy money. So then second product, if you go back to here, this one is exactly the same one. I bought 50 of them. It's 140 to 95, and I sold all of them for $6 each. $6, three vendors, three shops. I made it all for, I sell for altogether $300 and 115 if you convert that into pound. I made a roughly 185 pounds, something like that. So I made it 250. But how I did it is basically I went there to the shop, I talked with them and negotiate the deal. So basically, what I didn't buy the stuff I like. I just, so if you want to sell this thing on February, I went to them on starting January, and I was making a list. I didn't buy a whole lot of them. I buy 2 or 3 product every single month, very cheap, and sell to them. They place that product for a couple of years because you're not going to sell in every single day. So they can say, for example, one of the vendor bought 20 of those. They put in front of the cash checkout. Maybe they sell 2 or 3 per month, but that's enough for them. So that's why you can sell this. You can flip this product to your local business. But first thing, you have to go and negotiate with the deal. Before you buy anything, go and negotiate with them. If you can't sell to them privately, if they said yes, then you negotiate what product they want. Never buy the larger product. Smaller one like this one is fine, but you have to ask them what the product they required. So you find the price, and before you order through AliExpress or any other online wholesaler, you have to determine the selling price. Otherwise, you're never going to make a profit of that. So, for example, you find that this is a 286 piece, and the vendor needed 20 of them or 50 of them. You have to tell this is you have to sell each for $6. That's gonna cost them around $300. If they agree, yes, buy advance from them. Never put your own money. Buy advance from them, order it, sell to them, and collect the rest of the money. This is the way you have to do it. This is the way I do it. I not recommend anything, but this is the way I am doing it. So you can do it so. And finally, you need to make sure that the buyers, or you need to make sure that how you can collect the money. I recommend a bank transfer is the easy one, or if they can't give you bank transfer cash, deposit that money in your bank account. But I definitely recommend to show you in a tax return, which means you had to. So every end of the year, you need to show us this one as income, so your business more secure than the other people hiding the money. But this is the one way you can make about 400 to 500 bucks every single month flipping cheap product into your local business. This is the main idea. So everything depends on your communication with the vendor. If the vendor not agree, you can't sell anything, but you can make this model work without spending no money. First, you talk to the vendor, ask them about the product they want, collect the advance, half the money, and buy the product, sell to them, collect the rest of the money as your profit. That's it. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe. I will upload 2 to 3 videos every single week about making money online and any other. My videos are a little bit different because I'm telling the way I am doing it. Okay, I'm testing these ways. So when I testing, if it work, I make a video so you can test it also. And please subscribe to my channel. In the comment section, please recommend how I can improve my videos and what type of video you want to watch. And in future, I will make a video on affiliate marketing and building website and everything. And thanks guys for watching my video again. Please subscribe.